Hi friends, welcome. We'll develop a quiz application where the questions or the data will be stored in a JSON file. So our application will read one by one question and give 4 options for the user to select the correct question. At the end of this quiz, it will display the final score telling how many corrects or what are the mistakes done. So before we move this to this script, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorial, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. Visit this URL. This link is there in the description. Just read all the instructions what are given. Here is a sample JSON file structure is given, and you can just this 5 question also you can download it. Link is there for this JSON file, so you can expand. You can go beyond 5 questions also and add more question to it. So below that you can read the code parts where the details of what are the libraries, how it is. Note that when you download the JSON file, you must store it in your local system. Here the entire code you can just copy to the clipboard. This is application file. So your JSON file is path is given here. You have to modify or update where you have downloaded the JSON file. Accordingly you can use that data. So here you note that we are dynamically creating the radio button. So it is better advisable that you read the radio button more on that, how the dynamically it creates by taking the from different sources. That will help you also. We are in our Visual Studio Code, so you can any editor you can use it. Note that here the path I have given it to the JSON file what you have downloaded from the sample JSON file. It is a sample file. Keep on changing it, add your different questions to it. Note that this application, let's first run it once so you can see this. Here it is, the application window is open. It picks up the first question, so you can answer this question, what is it Tkinter, then go to next, then which method used to run that event loop. Okay, fine, whatever you answer you feel, you give some wrong answer also. Then which user is used to create a button on the Tkinter. So definitely here it is. Next is, okay, how do you set the title of it? So here it is. Now you see which is Tkinter wizard is used to accept multi-line text input. Fine, whatever you want to give it. Change the questions also. Now once the questions are over, you will get your score is 4 out of 5. So one mistake we did. So this is our application. Now let's close this. We'll see here, this is the application. The path to the JSON file where the questions are stored is here. Keep on updating the JSON file, so different questions you can pick up from there. And then this is the basic window, whatever is created. Now it one by one it moves. So first question, second question, third, like that. You can also pick up the questions randomly also, modify that and give it. And what is already shown, you keep it separately so that question should not repeat. You can add this modification also. Now you just see next question, it picks up from the current question index. Next question it pick up. You can just see here dynamically how you are creating the radio buttons. What's this person? See here the 4 options are there. So all this choice what it is the radio buttons are dynamically created because 1 2 3 4 choice are given and the values are taken from the JSON file. So accordingly your variable is common variable selected answer, and that is the string which will be stored, and that is compared whether to give you mark on that. So value is initially no radio button is selected, so it is kept like that. Now you just see this is placed on a next button is there. So let's just move up. Here it is. So this you see, this is the matching the answer. So one of the option in the JSON file is the answer. Now that is what you have selected answer get. This is based on your 4 radio buttons are given. So whatever you have selected, because that's a string variable. So we are by using dot get, we get what is user has selected. So once you select that one, that is compared with the answer. Now if these two things match, then score is increased by 1. That is the simple technique. Otherwise fine. So rest of the thing is what is the total score, questions, all, and once all the index total questions are over, it gives the message quiz completed, your score it displays. That's all, quite a simple one, not a very big one, but use this as your foundation or a basic model. So basic it's a basic script. Then you build up with that. Change the source also. Go to SQLite or MySQL database or anything, or even a XML file, CSV file, whatever source you want. You want the source, the data source should not be revealed to the users and all. So you keep it in a MySQL database or on, so that way it is totally protected. You can user only can see the questions and answers and all thing. You can modify it. What is the correct answer? Each question against you can display. Keep on adding more features to it. This is just for a basic understanding of this particular quiz application. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and use this as a basic application and build on this by using different sources and different features to this application. So if you have any idea, suggestion, questions or any doubt, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when you have tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.